What did I tell you? I went off, got the big chop. It actually wasn't scary at all. I didn't mind it. It was pretty interesting. It was quick. I'm 100% natural, which is what I'm really happy about. Like, I'm done. Like, I can't believe it. Look at all this hair. It's so thick. I'm kind of mad about that. There's no spots. I saw other people's hair. It's not as thick as this. And I'm ready. And I have no hair. And I'm ready, thick haired. It's very annoying. But what can I do? My hair is all this thick. When they cut it, oh my god! I saw all the hair on the floor. She swept it up. I was like, wow. Goodbye. I was so happy to see it on the floor. I was so happy to get rid of it. Today I took a shower, washed my hair. Yesterday I took a shower when I first got a cut, washed my hair. Yeah, you know how many times I washed my hair when it was permed? Once every 2 weeks. That's disgusting, and my hair stank like doo-doo. But now it smells good all the time. It's so simple. Just cut your hair, ladies. Like, go natural. Join the cause. Like, I think being natural is one of the best things that I've done in a long, long ass time, you know, other than going to college, because that's something that's big and that should be recognized. So yeah, but I'm very happy with it. Like, it's so cute. Look at the little curly whirlies. You can't see it on this camera though, but it's really cute. I love it so much. I just want to hug it so much. Okay. Bye. Peace, peace, peace. What else? I'll have more updates probably like in a week or something, but right now I'm just gonna do it week by week. If I do it day by day, this thing will be packed with videos. So yeah, I'm happy. I love it so much. Bye. I still feel sick. Oh god.